niggas out the window. Have a 9-3 kids with a hustle with your mendo. Had to get it off the mental, had to move with the intellect. These niggas want me back in that paddy wagon, but I won't let them in, I gotta watch my tempo. Stepper, 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 only stepping for a check. Stepper, 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 gotta step on niggas.
Good morning, YouTube. Hey, man. Let's start the day off right, man. So, damn, it's cold in the morning. It's about, check my Paul Rich watch. It's about 9 in the morning, so I woke up late. I couldn't go to the gym at 5 in the morning as I wanted to, so I'm disappointed in myself for that. I slept too good for my liking. It's always good to sleep good, but me, I can't. I told myself I'm gonna have a new schedule and wake up every day at 5 a.m. to go to the gym. So I've been doing it for a while, but today I ain't go. So I got a busy day today, so I'm gonna go to the gym later for what I gotta do today. But first things first, I gotta, wash my car to get my day started, because my car on the outside is pretty filthy. The inside is not that dirty, but damn, I left my food in here for me, so that's a shame. But it's not that dirty. But the steering wheel, I gotta clean the steering wheel every week, and I gotta clean the dashboard. It's a little dusty, but yeah, man. Other than that, my car is pretty much, so I've been putting my car back to completely stock. So let me show y'all my actual engine bay and explain further what exactly I took off and stuff like that to my car.
Took off my non-carb legal intake, so that's stock again. I put back on my stock charge pipe. This was a bitch because it's like that right there on the side, so charge pipe is stock. My injectors, I changed those because there's no point of running bigger injectors if I'm not tuning anything, so I'm no longer tuned, nothing, everything was completely stock. So, but to make up for the intake noise, the turbo noise, last night I did install a new blow-off valve. You can't see it, but right there I did install a new blow-off valve. What else? Oh yeah, I took off, obviously, took off my wing. But yeah, I have new tires, new everything. So the only thing I have left to do is I gotta put back on my OEM seats. And if you are not catching on to why I'm putting my car back to completely stock, hey man, you got to figure it out. But yeah. Oh yeah, and also I took out my flex field kit. Oh, that's in the garage. I forgot about that. Yeah, man, this car is pretty much stock. Besides, the only thing I have left is my catless downpipe that's right there. My catless front pipe, and then my catless downpipe. I have that.
So last night I recorded some clips of me driving, getting the push sound from the turbo last night, so I'm about to insert that clip right now. So the wind is pretty, obviously it's wind at night and it's windy as hell out here. I don't know why, but it's super cold and windy. So I'm sorry for the wind noise. So yeah, but just know that turbo sound, that push sound is super loud, man. It's like you can't really hear it on camera, but it is, man. So now I'm debating on not putting my stock exhaust back on just yet, but just putting on a quieter muffler, if that makes sense, so that way I can hear because I'm the type of person that yeah, a loud exhaust sounds good and all, but I'd rather hear a supercharger whine. I'd rather hear a turbo sound. I'd rather hear a pro charger sound. So that's me.
If your order is showing correct, the total comes out to be $10.84. Thank you.
I appreciate it.
No problem.
And just like that, we are
On the road, we actually are like 5 minutes away from ACD. I washed my car. I got a new tire. Drove hours of change, man. It was a good, productive day today, man. But yeah, today I'm highly upset that I woke up late to not go to the gym. Now I'm going to dread going to the gym today because, man, I'm not gonna get home until about probably 5, 6, because I'm gonna leave here at like 2 to 3 o'clock here. But yeah, I'm tired, man. I am 8. All I had yesterday was 1 burger from In-N-Out. Yeah, I'm tired. So I get out the car, right? Obviously that's my car, and we got a big boy AMG right here. Come on, man. Ain't that's crazy. That AMG. But then big boy Benz right there. But then I seen this one right here. My C63S AMG right here. I ain't gonna lie. This motherfucker is sexy. Carbon everywhere. The wheels is hard. Yeah, these wheels, I ain't gonna lie. I don't know what kind of wheels these are. These are stance wheels. These wheels nice, but yeah, this gray with all that carbon, boy. That shit is sexy. God damn, this bitch is wet. The only thing I need is 2 doors. But yeah, nah. This right here is cold. Damn. They just peep that gray with that blue accent on the wheel. The carbon mirrors up there. Yeah, man. Hopes and dreams, man. But yeah, if only y'all knew how much the banks is trying to get me to put a down payment, y'all probably go shoot y'all brains on y'all heads.
I need the racks like a bimbo. Serving niggas out the window. Have a 9-3 kids with a hustle with your mendo. Had to get it off the mental. Had to move with the intellect. These niggas want me back in that paddy wagon, but I won't let them in, no, sir. I gotta watch my tempo. Stepper on.
Oh, that's hard. Oh, that's tight. Okay. Alright. Get in the C63 AMG. Because I ain't been in one before. Oh, shit. You got the big boy AMG. That's the, damn. Full carbon, everything. That's tight. Damn. Oh, yeah, I never been in one of these before. I was gonna buy one just to hope I like it, the way it drives.
It drives pretty nice, bro, to be honest. It drives really fucking nice.
Yeah, I feel like this car is like the perfect like daily to me.
It's terrible on gas. You don't want to deal with this shit.
For real? Is that bad?
It's bad. If I was daily, I'll fill up every like 2-3 days.
Fuck. Well, I'll do it anyway with that. I filled up last night, and then I'm already on the quarter tank anyway. So
Oh, shit.
yeah, so it don't matter to me. I'm already used to it. Damn. This thing was cold. I ain't gonna lie, this is cold. Oh shit. Oh, that's just smooth as fuck. That's like smooth power. Damn, y'all didn't want to.
I'm gonna go
I didn't buy one of these. Damn. Big ass screen, cause all I want to see, they have the small screen.
This is actually a small screen. They're like
For real?
a newer version. It's like, I feel like it's like 2 inches longer.
Damn. Damn. Oh shit. Oh yeah, I need one of these. Yeah, I'm gonna spend money. Oh yeah, fuck the Supra. I don't want the Supra no more. I changed my mind.
Oh damn.
Nah, I changed my mind to Supra. I ain't gonna lie. Nah, this is where it's at.
I'm a brake boost right now.
This is where it's at.
I'm a brake boost thing.
This car. Hey, I'm not gonna lie. This car feels like
It's dumb.
it's not safe. It's not safe on the road. Yeah, this car, damn. I think you was spinning too, but it just felt smooth.
Yeah, it felt smooth. It feels like you're gliding.
Yeah, it
feel like you're on hockey pucks. Damn. Oh, man. The brace is good too. Yeah, I might buy one of these. All right, change of mind. All right, I'll try again with the dealer again. I'm gonna try again. Damn, that is okay. That's some shit. It's some shit in this damn car. Yeah, the clock. Oh, y'all don't know what that clock says, but it's expensive. Shit. Yeah, y'all know the name of that clock, but it's definitely expensive as shit. All right, cool. It's yours is faster.
I think so.
Oh shit. Okay. Yeah, cause I think cause this is the one, the color I would want.
No, I'm getting this shit wrapped in another color.
Damn. Shit, two. Damn. Oh, you got the color seat belts.
Yeah, I just put those in too.
Oh, your this thing different. The carbon is different. You got the blue seat belts and everything. This is tight. Damn.
Yeah, I don't know what, but my shit backfires a lot more.
That's what I like. Oh, yeah, that's what I like.
You have to go like a certain tune.
Oh yeah, because I was gonna go to Gentani.
Yeah, Gentani's cool, but there's another guy. His name is like HD. He's in Orange County.
Oh shit.
Hey, he's pretty good.
Oh yeah, because I was gonna go to him or go to D&B in Texas.
Oh, okay.
Damn. Oh, damn. Yeah,
Did he do a race start for you?
I have no clue what the hell that is.
No. Did he do a race start or no?
I think so.
Oh, okay.
I think so, yeah.
Let's see real quick.
Yeah, this shit was just sliding.
It's a little bit. This is gonna be a little bit faster. Not as much. Hold on one second. Oh, it's because I'm so cold.
It seems to happen to him, yeah.
Yeah, I'm on cold start stuff.
Damn.
We'll take it into that wall.
I need one of these. Damn, yeah, this is off. Yeah, fuck that Super, man. Like, I'd rather spend the extra 20K on the damn big boy MG. Shit. Oh, shit. Yeah, this is fun.
Yeah, there's like hella traffic over here.
Yeah. No, this thing is fun. Yeah, this thing's so much fun.
Yeah, best car ever, bro.
Yeah, I'm trying to tell people that CC3 SMG is the best car. Yeah, this is.
Fucking behind right and left.
felt like fucking 140. Damn, this thing is fun. Shit. Yeah.
I wanna. Oh, okay, there we go. My car's warmed up. We'll do it on that small street that raced up. I think we could probably easily hit 100.
Just on that small little street?
Yeah, on that small little street.
Shit. All right. Damn. This shit is fast as hell.
That's making me bust a U-turn.
Yeah, it's still nice though, but nah, it's not this. It's not this. Sensors, at least got the sensors. was supposed to get one.
Bro, I 100% recommend this car. I've had this shit for like 3 years, bro. I fucking love this car.
Yeah, because I was gonna get the coupe, but now
the four
doors because it looks.
Oh, the
more
C63.
Like yeah,
bro, get the 4-door, bro. It's much better.
Damn.
So it's convenient, bro. You can have people in the back. In the coupe, you have to push that seat forward.
Yeah, I ain't trying to do that.
It's not worth it.
You got the gauges and everything.
Yeah.
Is that standard?
That's standard for the S. For the S model.
Okay. That's fucking what the shit. Yeah, we are definitely Mexico. Shit, I don't know what city Mexico we in, but yeah, we're Mexico. Shit. Damn.
Alright, we're gonna go to the top of the street real quick. I'm gonna show you the race star real quick. That shit's pretty sick. I don't know if Rogue's car had that though.
Yeah, I don't know. This shit was just fucking sliding everywhere. That is crazy. I thought the most fun I had was in the Supra. Now,
you think the security's gonna give us a hard time?
nah, tell him it's R3 shit. It's R3.
Oh,
shit,
he's going inside the gate.
That's perfect. Oh shit, he trying to leave the gate open?
Shit, well, I'll take the whole street back.
Damn, this is tight. C63S AMG for the win. Oh, yeah, his car was literally sliding.
I think my tires have a little bit more meat, maybe. I don't know. My shit slides, but yeah, we should be all right. Start though. That shit's cool if it's a little bit longer.
Damn, yeah,
you could feel more of you could feel more of like the pressure like on a transmission.
Yeah. Yeah, I need one of these.
I think we should go find that fucking M3 real quick.
He probably over there somewhere. I think he went inside that subway. Yeah. Yeah, I need me. I'm locking like because the 4 doors is growing on me now. Spot was hugging.
Her alarm went off.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
Her alarm went off.
Yeah, that's crazy. This is tight. I'm not gonna lie.
It's like a bimbo. Serving niggas out the window. Have a 9-3 kids with a hustle with your mendo. Had to get it off the mental. Had to move with the intellect. There's niggas on me begging that paddy wagon, but I won't let them in. I gotta watch my tempo. Step a step a step a.